I don't feel like showing my face today because I need to comb my hair. I am so tired of looking like so ratchet. Like lately I have not been feeling like combing my hair or anything like that. What do I want to say? Oh, I didn't end up cooking last night. Nope, not at all. It was we sat there for like just like no exaggeration, like an hour and 30 minutes. I'm trying to decide if we're going to go out or Uber Eats. End up getting Uber Eats, which was so funny because I think I'm going to start working for them. The little Uber guy, he showed up looking cute and in a BMW. You wouldn't even have known he was like doing that. You would have thought he was just out for a Saturday night. And now I'm up. I'm running more behind than what I want it to be. I wanted to be at work today by 7:30, 8 o'clock, and now it's 9:13, but I'll be there fairly quickly. What do I want to say? I in a negative mood about it, because I was so comfortable in bed this morning, like so comfortable, like it was, when you really get in that deep, this cozy mode, and when I got out into the hallways, like a whole bunch of elevators and stuff like that, people were like, there were some people like myself getting up, going to work on a Saturday. It's such a norm thing here in Houston. Like in Florida, that's like almost unheard of. Like if you have a professional job, I'm not talking about, retail or restaurants, but like a professional job, it's kind of like, man, taking a weekend away, to me, it's just brutal. I can see if I was a nurse, making, a little bit more, but it's just crazy. But then this one lady, because the hallway was getting like congested, and this lady, she got out of the elevator, she was like, oh my goodness, I'm not used to people being this early on the weekend. But it just goes to show you, like, different environments, different things are normal. I kind of felt better about it. This man, he was like, hey, this is Jeff. He was taking that work call at 9 o'clock on a Saturday. Yeah, so I just thought I would share that. What are you guys doing? Did you guys see that princess get married? I was like, my friend Tom is so freaking, he's not like we don't see each other that much, but I swear, I would say like almost gay.